Hi members, Miss Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY lightsaber. So let's get started. So to make our lightsabers, we're going to need a few things. We're going to need a bottle. This could be a water bottle or a craft bottle like this. We're also going to need some duct tape of different colors. And we're also going to need some water and some clear glue and different color glitters that you'd like to use to customize your lightsaber. So now let's make our lightsaber. First, we're going to take our bottle here and we're gonna add in our clear glue. So you can add up to half of your bottle with clear glue or about a quarter of the way. The more glue you have, the slower the items inside of your bottle are going to move. So here is my glue. Put it in. Maybe a little bit more. So you can see mine's about a quarter of the way full. So next, we're going to fill our bottle with some water, but make sure you leave a little room on the top so you can add in your glitter. All right, so I added the water into my bottle and left a little room for my glitter. So now we're going to use our glitter, and you're going to consider your glitter like the kyber crystal for your lightsaber. So this is going to determine what color your lightsaber will be once it's activated. So go ahead and pick any color you would like your lightsaber to be and add in your glitter. I'm going to add a little bit of purple glitter into mine, and I think a little bit of silver. And I also have a different size glitter, so I have a chunkier glitter too that I can add. And you can have fun with what you add inside of your bottle. All right, I think that looks pretty good. And now you can test out your color, see if it looks good, and even add a little bit more glitter if you think it needs it. I think I like the color purple that mine came out, so now I'm going to fill the rest of my bottle with water. And next we're going to decorate the hilt of our lightsaber. So that's going to be the handle part. So go ahead and use some tape or even some paper and different tape and coloring items like markers, colored pencils, crayons, and decorate a handle for your bottle. And be as creative as you can. I decorated my hilt. Here it is. I even added little buttons. And as you can see, as my bottle was sitting, most of the glitter fell to the bottom, sunk to the bottom. And now to activate or turn on your lightsaber, all you have to do is shake it up. And it's on. And you can customize your lightsaber however you'd like, change the colors, change the designs of the hilt, and just have fun. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!